Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. I'm seriously so excited to be sharing with you guys my holiday room tour for Vlogmas Day 17. If you guys are new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below. It means the world to me, but that way you can get notified when my new videos are up and they show up in your subscription box. But I'm seriously so excited about this video. I've been getting so many requests to share it with you guys. I finally cleaned my room enough that I'm like, okay, film it, and it's just so festive and so fun, and I feel like I haven't shared a room tour in forever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give the big thumbs up if you guys like it, and I would love to know in the comments down below as the question of the day, what color is your room? Let me know. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys, and I hope you're having a great day. But we're just gonna get right to the room tour. Hey guys, come on in. This is my desk area, and this is where I film a lot of my videos, and it's all from IKEA. So I have these corkboards up here, and I actually put these little gold sparkly reindeers on here that are from the dollar store. I have my little Merry Christmas banner from Target, and all of this stuff is just DIY cut-ups. I actually have a video on it in case you guys want to check it out. I have my little Christmas tree over there from Home Goods. The little presents underneath it are from the dollar store as well. I have my computer that I edit all my videos on. My lamp is from Target. I have this little pen collection over here that's all pink pens, this picture frame, and then these shelves are from IKEA as well. I keep a lot of sweaters, and all my vests are in here. It's just a really nice way to stay organized. I have these little boxes that I got some shoes in, and just have a little decorated phone over here. I have some more like shelving and organization in here, and all my books and just some decor. I also have little beads in there as well, but love it. I threw this little blanket on here so it looks super cute and festive. This is from Home Goods, and my chair is clear acrylic. That is from IKEA. And then we're gonna go this way. We have my closet over here, and then we're not going to open that up because it is a hot mess. And then I get the most questions on this shelving unit. So the dresser is from IKEA. It's a 6-drawer dresser, and I absolutely love it. They just roll out, super easy to organize and super helpful for keeping your clothes organized. But I stacked more of these shelves on top of it. So I just have sweaters on the top. I have all my jeans. I have colorful pants, shorts, and printed shorts on this row, and then these are just kind of more decorative. I have all my perfumes in here. I have all my skirts in this little cubby guy. Then I just have this cute little snowman, and you guys, it lights up. Isn't that fun? I picked this up from the dollar store. It was only $1, and it changes colors. And then I have my little elephant. His name's Henry. I have all my extra bags and totes in here, and I just have the rest of these purses just sitting here for decor, and I do use them. They're just nice to pull out and be able to have easy access to them. I have scarves and hats in here, swimmies and swimsuits. Over here I have just some picture frames that I used to have more open in my room, I guess, but now that this cubby's here, you can't really see them, but I just kind of kept them up hanging. And then in this little corner, I shoved my tripod and filming lights in there just because it's kind of there. It's easy to access, but it's kind of hidden because they take up a lot of space. But then I have my vanity over here. So this is another desk from IKEA. Absolutely love it. It's the perfect small desk. I just have room in my room for 2 of them. So I keep all my jewelry in this drawer. I keep hair tools and accessories in here. And then this is just like leftover makeup that didn't fit in my everyday products. I have this cute little snow globe I've had since I was little, and I just keep all my makeup. I have a whole makeup collection on my channel, and then all my jewelry, some fake flowers. This vase is from Walmart, and these guys are from Target. And I also bought this chair from Amazon. Absolutely love it. It's just perfect. It's so nice having 2 chairs in your room. And then my curtains are from Walmart, you guys. Alright, so I have these 2 pictures up here. Absolutely love them. I've had them up there for so long. I made the top one when I was in high school, and then the bottom one I painted when I was in high school, and it says enjoy the little things, which I think is so important to always remember. And then on to my bedding. So these 2 pillows are from Home Goods. They're from the kids section 2 years ago during the holidays, and I just think they're so cute because they're so girly, so festive and Christmassy, but not like that traditional Christmas. I really like it because it blends into my room a lot better. Then I have this throw blanket, and I also have another one underneath that are from Target. My blankets and comforter are from Target. These big throw pillows back here that you guys have seen in my vlogs are from Target as well. They were in the $5 bin when I got them. It was such a steal. And then I just have this big print back here from TJ Maxx. I love the pink and white. And then I just have my little monogram that is from Etsy. And my Hello Gorgeous sign is probably what I get most asked about for my whole room in general, and it's always been this way. I picked it up at TJ Maxx like 5 years ago, and I've never been able to find it again. There's no tag on the back of it or anything, but I think it's so cute. I did a little DIY tassel and then the little garland from Michael's, I want to say. It was super inexpensive, and I just kind of threw it everywhere in my room to make it look like there was snow. I have my lamp that's from Target, some photo picture frames back there that just have DIY stuff in it, my little Christmas trees, a jewelry box, my water bottle, and my nightstand is from IKEA along with my bed frame. And then I have these black boxes on the bottom that just hold a bunch of my shoes. And then I have my big full-length outfit of the day mirror that I take all my pictures in, and I picked that up from TJ Maxx as well. And then I want to show you guys the last thing that's on the back of my door. I have these super cute Lily Pulitzer stockings back here. Absolutely love them. I will try my best to have the Etsy shop link down below because I got them a few years ago, but this one has my monogram on it, and then this one says Kelly. They're hanging on by little command hooks, which I feel like was a lifesaver just so it doesn't ruin my door. But I absolutely love all my Christmas decor, and I think it's so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. And if you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And again, I would love to know, as the question of the day, what color is your room? Let me know in the comments down below. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. I had so much fun filming this video and decorating my room for the holidays. I cannot believe it's already day 17 of Vlogmas. It's seriously so crazy to me. It's been so much fun, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with Vlogmas day 18. Bye guys!